back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about my eyelash extensions. I recently discovered that you could get eyelash extensions done in Goa. I've seen tons of videos on YouTube, but people have got it done either in Mumbai or Delhi. And when I got to know that someone in Goa is doing it, I literally jumped out of excitement and I was like, I am getting it done and I am filming it for you guys. So that's exactly what I did. I got these done at Infinity Nails and Beauty. I actually wanted to recommend these to anybody who's getting married anytime soon, because these are perfect for your wedding. I mean, these will last through your wedding day and also your honeymoon, which is always a plus. That's if you're directly going after your wedding for your honeymoon. But they last for 3 to 4 weeks and I think they're so pretty. In today's video, I've also covered any questions that you might have about eyelash extensions. So without any further ado, let's get into the video.
Hello, my name is Irina. I'm director of Infinity Nails and Beauty. Welcome to our studio. We do beauty service for nails. It is the main job in our studio. Nail extension, manicure, pedicure, gel polish, nail art, and also we do eyelash extension, modeling of eyebrows, and permanent makeup for lips and eyebrows. In today's video, we will do eyelash extension. It will be natural effect for Bhakti. You will see before and after result.
Also, could you tell us about the different type of eyelash extensions? Is it just one kind or is it different kinds?
There is natural effect. There is less small length and thin lashes, and it looks like you put just mascara. So nobody can understand this some artificial eyelashes. So we also can do dramatic effect or 2D, 3D effect according your eyelashes, natural eyelashes. So we see proportions and shape of eyes, and we see which effect would be better and which shape we can do.
How do I take care of these eyelashes?
First 24 hours we avoid water and we not touching our eyelashes, because glue, when we stick artificial eyelash with natural eyelash, that glue effect 24 hours there is some polymerization. The gluing becomes strong. So this time we don't touch our eyelashes. Afterwards we can do everything. We can wash our face, we can put some makeup, but we avoid mascara, because when we remove mascara we can spoil our eyelashes. One principle is important: then less we touch our eyelashes, then longer it will stay. So, and also every day we brush our eyelashes just for create good and correct direction of eyelashes.
For how long does this last?
Approximately after 3-4 weeks you need to do correction, because our eyelashes are changing every day. So some lashes fall, some lashes growing, and it become less, and then when you want to add volume, you see condition is become very less, so you can come to add new eyelashes and to do correction.
Can I remove these eyelashes at home, or do I need to come down again and get them taken off?
Better to come to salon to remove with special liquid, because if you will remove yourself, it will be not possible, because you can remove with your own eyelashes. So also you can put oil on your eyelashes, and gradually it will go but no, you cannot remove it in one time with oil.
What if someone has sensitive eyes? Can they get this done as well?
Yes, but if you are not sure about your allergy reaction or something like this, better to do test for glue. Actually glue is very good quality, and we had not any problem with this. But if you are scared, you can come to do test. We put some small drop on the skin, and we see effect immediately. So if there is some reaction, so we don't do this. So we have color eyelashes. Actually we use it with mix with black.
Okay.
Because if we will put just this color, it will be not nice. Like you do ombre for your hair, you also put some color.
Correct.
Yeah. So
yeah.
With eyelashes same. So next, this is brown, dark brown. It is not like black. It looks very natural, and for light hair, for light skin, it looks
brown looks better than black.
It looks more natural. You can see one is more thick, one is more thin.
Correct.
So if you want light effect, natural effect, we use more thin. If you want volume, better to use a little bit thick. But it's according to your eyelashes, because if your eyelash is very thin, we cannot do too heavy for this. So we use a little bit thin according to your eyelashes. Take around 2 hours, depend on volume actually. If we want to do some natural volume, it will be 1.5. If we want to do 2-3D, maybe it will take 3 hours. Timing also depending on master. We have 3 categories of specialists. Top master, it's me, master, and junior master. So price is also different. With junior master it is 1000 rupees only. Normal individual eyelash extension. With master it is 2500, and with top master it is 3000 rupees. It is normal individual eyelash extension. If we do 2-3D, it will be a little bit extra, depend on volume. After 3-4 weeks you need to do correction, and the price for correction may be also different. It always depends on volume. She is very love her eyelashes, her new eyes, and she will tell you how it will be in future, and how it's comfortable for her, and how many compliments she will get. I hope to see you very soon at my studio. Bye bye!
So that's how you get the eyelash extensions done. I tried to cover all the questions, but if you still have any questions, then definitely leave them down in the comment section below. And if you are traveling to Goa, or if you are already in Goa, I highly recommend you try these out. They are so pretty and I absolutely love them, and the entire process is painless as well. I didn't feel anything when she was putting it on my eyes. I will also be doing check-ins so you guys can see how well do they last on my eyelashes, in case you want to see that as well. So that's it for today's video. If you liked it, then don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We are getting very close to 6,000 subscribers, so click, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye. Mwah.